There's a couple tricks I want to show you when we're talking about neck corks and how to finish them off. So on this one, we've already got the neck on and we've got the big strip of cork cut off. But from this point, there's a few tricks I want to just get specific on. So let's show you the tricks. The first thing we've got is we've got this extra piece here, right? So we've already cut the first piece off. And this is the razor I used to do that. And you can see how it's not overly smooth. And that's because when I come to cut in this, as I'm making this slice, so trick number one, make sure you're slicing through. So not just plowing through this way, but slicing through this way. So as I'm coming into here, cutting across like this in a downward slicing across the razor blade motion creates a much cleaner cut to that. Now if I work that enough, I can get back. But you see how I'm just I'm not making much progress here? So I'm going to go to a brand new razor blade. And I'm going to come in here and make those last cuts. You see how much easier this new blade cuts into it? It drags across easily. It's going to grab everything I want. And I'm going to cut as much of this material away as I can, but I want to keep it really proud. I want to make sure that this edge is higher than either of these, because then I'm going to come in with my sanding stick. The second trick is I'm going to do these in circles. So as I'm sanding this line down, I'm going to sand across like this. And I'm staying mostly on this ridge, but I'm also rotating back and forth just a little bit to get that smooth surface that I want. If we just go up and down or side to side, if we go side to side, it's going to tear the cork. If you go up and down, you're going to create a flat spot in it. But going in a circle like this will create a really nice smooth finish. Now you see this edge right here, how I've got this little corner that sticks out. So I'm going to take my blade and I'm going to put it up against the high spot, and then I'm just going to roll the neck over and cut into that cork to where I cut this nice and smooth and flat so there's nothing there for it to catch on. Just like that. And then I'm going to come in from underneath the neck on an angle like this, and I'm going to bevel this edge in with that. So the third trick is I'm going clear down here on the side. My bench peg is stuck in the side of this. It works best that way. And I'm going to come up with my eyeballs right over top of this and cut this beveled edge in. Going real nice and smooth and soft. Nice and slow. Let's bring that all the way around. And there you've got it. You've got a nice smooth edge, beveled, and it's that easy with those three simple tricks. So there's three simple tricks to make neck corks just that much easier and really take your work from being accomplished and where it's done to being pro.